Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk import contact data into HubSpot CRM and fix any mapping errors that come up during the import. Click CRM in the left sidebar to open the CRM menu. A drop-down appears with several sections including contacts, companies, deals, and activities. Click Contacts to open your contacts list. The main contacts page loads with your existing records displayed in a table. Click the Import button at the top of the page. Click Import again to proceed to the data integration screen. Click Import Data to start a new import. An import setup dialog opens where you'll choose how to bring your contacts in. Select Quick Import as your import method, then click Next. You'll reach step 1 of 3, where you choose your file. Click the Choose a File link to open your file picker. Select your contacts file from the browser and click Open. For best results, use a CSV or Excel file with one contact per row. The file uploads and you'll see its name appear on screen. Click Next to move to the column mapping screen. Step 2 shows how your spreadsheet columns will map to HubSpot properties. Each row in the table pairs one of your columns with a corresponding contact field. Scroll down through the table to review all the mappings. HubSpot auto-detects common fields like email and name, but you can change any mapping manually if needed. Check the box for Don't import data in unmapped columns, then click Next. On step 3, click the search dropdown and select Legitimate Interest-Lead as your legal basis for processing. Click Finish Import and HubSpot begins processing your file. An import summary screen appears, showing the progress. Once complete, you'll see the total number of contacts successfully imported into your CRM. If any columns show mapping errors in step 2, click the dropdown on that row and search for the correct HubSpot property name to fix it. Before you upload, make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers that match HubSpot's property names as closely as possible. It saves time on manual mapping. If you need to update or remove imported contacts later, you can use the bulk edit tools in your contacts list. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.